What's going on, y'all? It is currently Saturday, and I just woke up. I got home late last night at work, but today what we got going on is I'm going with my buddy Stevens. Always, he's working on his truck, and then we're gonna run some errands. We'll make probably gonna add a little video on a four-wheeler. What's going on with that in this video? So if y'all want to see, y'all stay tuned. What's going on, y'all? So what were you doing, Steven, to your truck?
Exhaust manifold's got a bad exhaust leak.
Did you already replace that, or you gotta put them back on?
I'm putting them back on. I use 320 grit, sand that down. Don't use nothing too big. Too coarse, you'll fuck it up.
Here is a new seal.
It's not a seal, it's a gasket.
Gasket, to be exact.
Gasket is for gas, like air. Seal is for liquids.
And then he has his old ones. This is gone.
Yeah.
And then you gotta
That's
go
the
up.
driver's side.
It's just, bam. Not even there. This one wasn't that bad.
Wasn't that good. It's got oil on it.
But I mean, it's got. So.
Got the oil on the ditch.
He's gonna put them on. Here is, there's some stuff. Here is. He's sanding these down a little bit. Not too much, like I said.
So you got some oil leaking. It's really hard to tell from where. Get on there. It's kind of half-ass on there. Damn, that exhaust pipe. I'm gonna move that bitch over from you.
Well, update. This Nimrod, the mechanic, we tightened down the exhaust to the manifold. With a bolt, we put the bolts in, and we didn't line it up.
No, it lined up. I'm just not on the right end. I don't know.
And now we gotta take it back off for the fucking second time. Ugh.
I thought this was gonna be the easy side.
I don't want to be here.
So now we're on our way to O'Reilly's. Got to get a new throttle position sensor. The one I got from them, I tightened it up and I grabbed it, wiggled it, make sure it's tight. And as soon as I did that, the whole back just fucking broke off. So, yeah, we gotta go get a new one of those and then put it on and then crank it and hope that it doesn't blow up on me.
We'll take it on a test drive.
Hell yeah.
What's up, y'all? Y'all saw we ran to Harbor Freight. I just was screwing around because we ran to O'Reilly's, and I got some leather wipes for my seats. I got some there. I got some cleaning wipes for the interior. That there. I got some. Wow. I got some crimpers for work.
Hey, clearance, baby. $30.99 for jigsaw blades. I got one of these things from the bolts at work. I got a shit ton of bolts in a bucket. I'm tired of... Don't stab me with it. I'm tired of digging through the damn bucket. I had to dump it out every time I need a bolt.
I said, why not?
I bet this unscrews.
We thought I'd just show you what we got.
I just got matches for lighting your cigarettes.
I just got a compass.
Oh, that's pretty dope.
They could use a sharpen.
Do not have a micro USB cord in here. I could have sworn you did.
I don't like the way they got this button. I don't like that. Where it buttons like that. Goes like that actually. But yeah. I got my work knife. We'll finish the shenanigans when we get back to this house. All right, back to the real reason today. Let's see if the truck cranks. There's the knife. experiment. All right, turn her over.
Get it to me, girl.
She cranked. She didn't. She sounds different now.
Yeah, she sounds right. Oh.
She sounds like she's supposed to. Cause usually it was clicking because of the manifold. Or, yeah, exhaust leak. Well, we're about to go take her on a test drive, and we're gonna look at a few more things, and I'll get back. I'm back, but I'm at my house, so I came back to the house to finish the video off because I gotta work tomorrow. But he fixed the problem. It wasn't making the noise it was making anymore after he drove it. So I'm gonna end the video right here. If y'all like the video, like, subscribe, watch more, and stay tuned for the next. But so it was exhaust, the manifold, exhaust leak. I guess that's how you say it. And he just replaced the seals and it fixed it. So if y'all have a problem, come watch the video and maybe it'll help you. I don't know. But like I said, stay tuned. See y'all.